Hello everyone, welcome. Today I've got an exciting review about Bluesky Social, a new decentralized social media platform that's been making waves recently. Whether you're someone who's tired of traditional platforms or just curious about the buzz surrounding Bluesky, this review will give you everything you need to know before diving in. We'll talk about its features, pricing, pros and cons, and in the end, I'll suggest some great alternatives if you feel this isn't quite your vibe. Let's get into it. Blue Sky was initially funded by Twitter and developed with the vision of creating a decentralized social network, which means it gives users more control over their data and the ability to move across platforms without losing their online identity. Imagine a world where you aren't locked into one ecosystem and where your content and followers can move with you from one platform to another. That's the vision Blue Sky is aiming for. Let us talk about its main features. What exactly does Blue Sky offer that sets it apart from the usual suspects like Twitter or Facebook? Well, let's talk about some of its main features right now. Decentralization. Blue Sky is based on the AT protocol, which stands for Authenticated Transfer. This enables users to have self-owned identities and data portability across different platforms. Essentially, you're not stuck in just one social media ecosystem. Customizable algorithms. Tired of having content you didn't ask for shoved in your feed? Blue Sky introduces the idea of algorithmic freedom, allowing users to pick and choose what they see based on custom filters and settings. You can tailor your experience the way you want it. Open protocol. Blue Sky is open sourced, meaning developers can build on top of it or create custom apps using its protocol. This kind of openness fosters innovation and reduces the stranglehold large corporations usually have on social media platforms. Data sovereignty. In Blue Sky, you own your data. Instead of being harvested for ads, Blue Sky's decentralized structure ensures you have control over your personal information. They don't sell your data to advertisers, which is huge in today's digital landscape. Now let us talk about the pricing. This is one area where Blue Sky really shines. Currently, the platform is free to use, with no immediate plans for subscription fees or paid tiers. There's also no advertising, which contributes to the platform's ad-free experience. However, given its early stages, we might see monetization models emerge later down the line. But for now, it's free, it's clean, and you won't be bombarded with ads. What are the pros and cons of using Bluesky Social? Let's break it down. First, the pros. Decentralized and open sourced. Like I said earlier, you're not locked into a corporate structure that controls what you see. User data control. You're in control of your own data. No more feeling like your personal information is being sold without your consent. Algorithmic freedom. The ability to customize your feed is a game changer for people tired of traditional social media algorithms. Ad-free. No ads popping up everywhere. Blue Sky gives you an uninterrupted experience. How about the cons? Limited user base. Since it's relatively new, Blue Sky doesn't have the massive user base of platforms like Twitter or Instagram, so there might be less engagement initially. Invite-only system. Right now, Blue Sky is still in a closed beta, which means access is by invite only. This could be a downside if you're looking to join immediately without waiting. Potential future monetization. While the platform is free now, there's always the looming question of how it will sustain itself financially. Will ads eventually come into the picture? Or will there be paid features? Only time will tell. So is Blue Sky Social worth your time? If you're someone who values privacy, decentralization, and having more control over your online experience, then yes, Blue Sky could be a great fit for you. It is innovative, it is fresh, and a clear response to many of the frustrations people have with big social media platforms today. But keep in mind still that it is still in its early stages and has a smaller user base. It's a platform that holds a lot of potential, but it's not quite a replacement for more established platforms, at least yet. If you're open to the idea of decentralized internet and willing to be an early adopter, well, Blue Sky might just be the platform for you. But if you prefer something with more features and a larger community, you might want to wait a bit longer before fully committing. If you feel Blue Sky isn't quite what you're looking for, here are a few alternatives to consider: Mastodon, Diaspora, and Minds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.